A fifth book by Marty Kelly is Mistletoes, A Confused Christmas. This age group of this book is ranged for 3rd to 4th graders. The summary of this book is based on the view of a child during Christmas time. The book includes silly poems and traditional Christmas songs and topics. The language of this book is simple but includes more complex structures. This book also contains fun illustrations and with a lot of color. The qualities of this book include creating an opportunity for children to spend time with their families during Christmas time. This book is a memorable book for children because of how silly it is. Now that I've introduced all the books, we are going to compare and contrast the multiple different books of Marty Kelly's. The first compare and contrast I'm going to do is of Almost Everybody Farts and Santa's Underwear. The books are similar because they both introduce embarrassing topics about farts and underwear. Each book is supposed to make embarrassing topics funny for children. Both books use rhyming words, and they're about daily occurrences that happen in real life. This makes it relatable to children. Both of these books are also different. They both have different subjects. For example, the Farts book has simple text, and the Santa book has more complicated text but uses more simple words. The Fart book has simple illustrations with a single picture on each page. The Santa book includes simple illustrations but has more pictures on each page. The Farts book is a repetitive story, and the Santa book has a storyline that's not repetitive. Another comparison and contrast is of Santa's Underwear and Mistletoes. Both these books are similar because they're about Christmas. They both use rhymes to tell a story, they're fun stories, and they're silly stories that are supposed to make children laugh. They're also relatable. Some difficult words and longer sentence structure are included in both of these books. Each of these books are also different. The Santa story is a story. The Mistletoes is a series of poems. The Santa story also has a different point of view told about Santa Claus, and the Mistletoe story is based on traditional Christmas songs and topics.